oh boy, it's keyboard building time. So today, me and Histy are going to build for Tzechi. The parts we're using today is... This is the DZ60. This is the soldered one. It's a RGB. It has the underglow here. So you can see there's 16 LEDs on the bottom. I decided to use a brass plate because people say brass is better, and I do think the acoustics are better. So I decided to go with Zealios because Tzechi likes the tactile bump feeling. And I decided to also film it with Desky films because I noticed that the housing was kind of wobbly, so I decided to go with Deskies to make it better. For Lubing, I decided to go with Crytox 105 I decided to go for a thinner loop. It didn't change my sound from stock and loop, but it did make quite a difference in smoothness, but sound not really. But yeah, so we gotta finish looping like 5 more switches. Tomorrow I'm going to stop by at Alexis's house and I'll give him the keyboard and the
You should film his reaction.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, that would be so good.
And the thing is that he doesn't know I bought him mousepad. That's the only... he knows the keyboard but doesn't know mousepad.
You can give him the whole set.
Give him the whole set.
Alright, KBDfans default stabs.
Yeah.
Not too bad, but...
You might want to test if the wires are straight.
Alright, sure.
Time to get the permatex stick.
So how would you go around? You want to paint it on it?
Yeah, paint. So just try to apply an even layer.
You don't like dipping it, huh?
I used to dip it, but then well, as I said, it's probably better to paint it so it doesn't get too like mushy. I don't know, man. My paintbrush is kind of fucked up right now, so it's not applying it evenly.
Yeah, I think it's kind of like right now. It just looks kind of the same effect if you dip it. Let's just try dipping it right now.
Okay, dipping is much more.
Yeah, you can get off the excess. You can put most of the excess inside as well.
For Tzechi's keyboard keycaps, we're going to be using Akko World Tour Tokyo keycaps, and this is revision 2, so these are the DSA ones. Yeah, they look different from the first revision for sure, so yeah. He prefers the bigger font on these than the first revision, so I got these. Hey, they actually look pretty good.
Hog.
Okay, let's test them.
It's quite hard to tell with the plate rattling.
Yeah. Okay.
You hear the sound, right?
Yeah, I can hear it. Time for a big review. Perfect.
Much more muffled. No rattle.
Yeah. A slight bit.
A bit rattle, yeah.
Wait. This could be the plate. I don't hear rattle. Yeah, I don't hear rattle.
Okay, I guess that works. Just applying more permatex.
Yeah. That's usually what I do. Now it's time for the last part. We just finished putting the board together, and now we're gonna put it into the case. We made sure all the keys worked. I think only one key.
Equal key.
Yeah, the equal key needed to be changed. I decided to cut some extra foam because there seems to be an indent in here, like an extra indent. So I wanted to fill it up with something else. So I just cut some styrofoam and put it in here. I also have KBDfans foam, so we're gonna put this here. And it looks good. Okay, now we're just gonna screw it in. Okay, have to go. What do you think? It sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Spacebar.
Yeah.
What are these? I don't know what they are.
This is honestly pretty good.
This here. I'm actually putting on the spacebar then. The foam. Oh, this is stocky.
That's good, that's good.
Let's go try it out. This looks ridiculous. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Okay, let's cycle through the modes. What is this? Wait, it's only illuminating one part.
Oh, it's only living this side.
Okay, let's go in. Okay, I think this is setting mode. Yeah, so yeah, this is breathing.
Slightly faster breathing.
Yeah.
Really hyperventilating. Oh, hyperventilating. Static?
No,
color spectrum.
Color spectrum, yeah. I think this probably is a faster version of the color spectrum. Ooh, actually I kind of like the RGB on this, I'm not gonna lie.
Same.
Yeah, the keycaps though.
This doesn't fit.
That doesn't fit.
Yeah, more neutral one.
I didn't want a full case glue, but I think this is changing my mind now.
Yeah, same.
Okay, I don't like that.
Zoom.
It feels like ping pong. I don't know.
It looks like a racetrack, dude.
That's true. Okay,
Watermelon.
I don't know what is this.
I don't know what it is, but I kind of like it, I guess.
Really? Okay. Okay, I think this should be the slowly... Yeah, it is cycling around. I see. Yeah, I like this. This is kind of nice. It's a pink and a midnight blue. That's good.
Pretty good.
I mean, it looks good on your mousepad.
Yeah, it's specifically my mousepad.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this. This is purple and pink. I think it looks good. It looks really nice.
This is nice, yeah.
Yeah, in real life it looks more pastely and less bright, but on my camera right now it looks kind of saturated, not gonna lie. Alright, let's do the typing test. Spacebar? I forgot.
It is Spacebar already.
Oh, you did?
I did.
Oh.
This is the first one I did.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes.
It does sound a bit rattly at the sides. I guess here, is it? Is it? I don't know. I think it should be fine. We could breeze it out a bit more later. There's rattly steps, I guess. But hey, we finished the board. Finally. Hey, okay, come on, give it to him. We got it done.
Oh, champ.
Looks good. Okay. Boo.
Wait behind me.
Yeah, he's just vibing. No, I used newspaper wrapping because I couldn't find any gift wrap.
I see. How do I open this?
You just tear it
Why
open.
is his face like that?
I just newspaper so that you don't have to feel bad when you like tear it open and stuff.
I already feel bad tearing it for some reason. I don't know. Good. What?
Yeah.
What? Eh? Oh my god!
Hey, it's a mouse pad.
It looks so cool! Oh, it looks so good. I've never seen a mouse mat in my life actually.
Really?
Yeah, except for the one at your house. Oh, it looks so good!
You never seen the long mouse pads before? Like in person?
Nah, never.
Okay.
I'm so nervous. It's like... Oh my god! Oh, it looks so good!
You should go plug it in.
Oh my
Oh, I
god!
can't wait for you to feel it.
Oh. Looks so cool! Ooh! Oh, that was good! Oh yeah, this one, the nicest one. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Oh, we should clear the table and put it on the mouse mat.
Yeah, that was the plan. It looks so cool.
It feels really good too.
Yeah.